Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. On today's little adventure, we are heading down to Mission Island Marsh to hopefully take some pictures of birds. So it's a little different than the hiking videos that I normally do. But a week ago, I had the ingrown toenail that I had mentioned in the Sifting Lake video removed. So today's the first time I've had a boot on in a week on that foot. So we're going to take it easy with the hiking for the next couple of videos. So thanks for being here. Hope you enjoy. We're taking a little bit of a back way to the conservation area. I thought it would be nice, considering Brian's stuck at work today, that we'd drive past his work and say hi to him. Everybody say hi to Brian. He's in one of those machines right there. If you could even see the machines on the GoPro. Coming up here through the port area and here in Thunder Bay. This big ocean liner or ocean vessel into the dock in here. Coming up on a couple of small hiking trails that come down here out towards the lake that I've never been on. It's I may come down and do them in the next couple of days and see how my foot handles them. And hopefully get into some longer hikes here very shortly. One thing you want to be aware of if you're coming down here to the Mission Island Marsh Conservation Area is there tends to be sometimes a lot of deer on the road, or in this case a couple of geese chilling out. But once you cross over the bridge onto Mission Island, there may be a good sized herd of deer on the road. So just keep an eye out for those. A lot of potholes on this road. More geese. Didn't see any deer yet, but it is the middle of the day. Well, I made it down to the marsh, and it's pretty breezy down here at the moment. But there's a few smaller birds flying around. And of course, now that I've stepped back into the truck for a second, they all land. But I've tried to take some pictures of some of the birds that actually showed up to one of the feeders that are down here. But with where I set up my tripod, the birds are pretty much below the edge of the feeder. So I'm going to move my truck over and set up in to the bed of the truck to get myself a little higher up there and see if I can get some better photos of the birds from that. So here we go, moving the truck. But hopefully by me moving the truck over there, it doesn't scare all the birds away. So here's hoping. Well, that was a good example of stunning cinematography right there. But anyways, here's Mission Island Marsh. They do have some pathways here, but you can see how my foot feels, and might show you a couple of those before I leave. But I'm gonna get the camera set up in the back of the truck, and hopefully it doesn't freak out the birds too much, and they'll come back over to this feeder here in a couple minutes. Well, I've got the truck moved and I've set up the camera in the back of the truck. You can see that, and there's the feeder over there. So I think I've managed to get a couple of pictures, but I'll have to wait until I get them back home onto the computer. But it is breezy out here, so the camera's shaking, so I don't really know if there's going to be anything in focus, but we'll see. No, I forgot you were recording. Well, yeah, that's a good look. I think that's going to be it for birds right now. I'm going to stick around a little bit longer, see if I can get something else. But I did see a red squirrel running around. I might try to get a picture of that here in a bit. But other than that, I think it's time to pack her in. Well, I put the camera gear away for now, and I'm just going to take a quick walk out to the end of this one little trail section. And if you can see it, there's a little raised lookout area. I'm going to go up, check out, see what I can see from up there. I might go down, check that little pathway out too afterwards. Here we are coming up to the top of the platform. And it is windy. Sorry if you can hear the wind noise. But this is the view. Couldn't really see a whole lot from up there. So now I'm gonna go check out the trail that leads to the shore. Huh. Nice little beachy area. Well, looks like there's a couple of little pathways down through here, so I'm going to head over this way a little bit. I really hope you can see that. I don't know if you could see that or not. That was a really big eagle that just flew over me. He's still kind of circling up there. Yeah, that was cool. I'm gonna head back to the truck now. So I will sign off for this video. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and hit the bell so you get notified when I release new videos. Have a great day. Hey, little guy. Just on my way home, and I spotted something that I missed on the way here. There's a big old eagle's nest, and it looks like there's an eagle in it. So I'm gonna see if I can get some pictures of that. I don't know how well you can see it on here, but it looks like the eagle's nest is in that tree right there. So I'm gonna get the other camera out, see if I can get a picture of it. Well, I think there was an eagle in that nest, but there definitely was in a tree off to the right of it. So I think I got an okay picture of that. But yeah, that's it. I'm on my way home now, get my foot out of this boot, and I'll see you guys later.